I'm
going to record.
What do we need to do it? Okay, no, it's on.
You would need a lot of stuff. Don't worry about it. You can just watch. It's fine.
I don't have cans.
Where? Oh, damn it. Oh, they're the tongs. All right. So I'm recording this in case people miss it. We have two situations. So the Pear Deck's up, as far as I know. If you open up that, slides 2 through 5 are going to be what we're focusing on for this. Slides 2 and 4 are just like what you saw in the videos where you record what's changing and what's constant. Slides 3 and 5 is where you try and explain it. So first, for slide 2, this is a can. Wait, I'm gonna use this one because I cooked it beforehand. You hear there's nothing in it, right? No water. I got rid of all the stuff. It's an open can. Fire. If you do this at home, protective eyewear, hair tied back, no long sleeves, don't want to set yourself on fire. I mean, it's a kitchen. Just be safe. Thank you. I have here, it's a little hard to see, a container of ice water. It's a little bit of snow from outside. I'm trying to keep this water cold. So in terms of what changes and what's constant, the big question is where time 1 and time 2 are. We're not at time 1 yet. Time 1 is going to be right before I flip it upside down, and time 2 is going to be after anything changes. This one doesn't need as much time because there's no water in it. The second can is going to have water. So for the first one, we just have air. If you start to see a little bit of smoke come out of here, that means it's time to go because there's a little bit of plastic that's burning. So I'm going to go. Let me turn on the fan in case it stinks. So this is where we make our observations. This is time 1. So not much, right? Now something I do want to show you too. Now I'm going to pick the can up out of the water. So it seems like water got into the can. Second can. This is more water. This is not seltzer, but I'm just going to pour some water in. Have to fill this up later. It's full to about here, so not very much. We have to boil the water, so I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit. This one takes a minute or two. But while I have you here, I can explain a couple things. Something worth thinking about with this is that this is an open can. So it's this while it's heating. When I turn it upside down into the water seals the can. Now gas is stuck in this container. If it came out, you would have seen bubbles. But I don't even think that's what happened. Now I'm sitting here like this, right? This can's been sitting here for a while. If I pick this can up, you don't really see much water come out. So this is very different than what we just did with the first can. Something changed to cause more water to be in here once it came off the heat. Actually, I'm done with that one. I've got like 4 more for the rest of the day. Eventually what you're going to hear is some crackles and pops. I didn't do this right. Nope. Well, that works. Make this nice and easy to see. I should have done this from the beginning. So you can start to hear it maybe. I think you can. I'm holding this up so that we can see when the steam comes out because this is very bright. A lot of videos, when you look online, they say heat it for like 5 minutes. I'm being aggressive because I don't want to, you know, wait. So I don't know. We can't quite see it yet. I'm seeing a little steam. I think I can, if you look really closely at the top, I think you can start to see the steam. I'm gonna wait just a little longer. Let me see. More fire. Oh, I guess they're burning the outside. Oops. I don't know if you can see it. The can's moving. It's like bumping around a little bit. You know, I can prove to you there's some steam. See that? It's recondensing right onto the glass. All right. My guess is this is probably good enough. I don't know. Still don't know if the steam's visible, but like Mr. Sarker said, you can hear it. So I'm going to flip this over. Let's turn down the heat. So we're going to do the same thing. This is our initial condition, and then we flip it. And then like before, I'll give it a chance to cool off. Let's see. So there was some water in there, but not nearly as much as the first can. So let me stop the recording.